Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding improper fractions. The rule for adding improper fractions is the same as the one we used for adding simple fractions. When we arrive at the answer, we convert the improper fraction to a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Example 1. 8 over 7 plus 9 over 7. You can see that they're both improper fractions because the numerator is larger than the denominator in each case. Since the denominators are the same, 8 plus 9 over 7 gives us 17 over 7. 7 into 17 goes twice, with a remainder of 3, so the answer is 2 3/7. Example 2. 6 over 5 plus 7 over 5 plus 8 over 5. Since the denominators are the same, we add the numerators. 6 plus 7 plus 8 all over 5. That gives us 21 over 5. 5 into 21 goes 4 times because 5 fours are 20 with a remainder of 1. So we have 4 and 1/5. Now remember, you can quickly check whether that's correct. 5 fours are 20, plus 1 is 21, 21 over 5. If you remember, we did that in a previous video, and it shows you that the values are exactly the same. Example 3, 4 over 3 plus 5 over 3 plus 7 over 3 plus 10 over 3. The denominators are the same. We add the numerators together. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 7 is 16, plus 10 is 26. That's 26 over 3. 3 into 26 goes 8, because 3 eighths are 24, with a remainder of 2, so the answer is 8 2/3. Finally, for example 4, 7 over 6 plus 11 over 6 plus 13 over 6 plus 17 over 6. All the denominators are the same. Add the numerators together. 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17. When you add those four numbers together, you get 48. So that gives us 48 over 6. Now let's see what happens when we divide 48 by 6. 6 into 48 goes 8 times exactly. So if you know your 6 times tables, you know that it goes 8 times exactly and there are no remainders. So sometimes you'll get an answer excuse me, where there are no remainders. So this video has just shown us what we have to do when we're given excuse me please, when we're given the situation where we have to add improper fractions together.